In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove search history in Canva. If you've been using Canva for a while, you might have noticed that your search history can get cluttered, especially if you experiment with different design elements. Clearing out this search history can tidy things up and improve your overall experience. Let's dive in. To begin, we're heading over to the Elements tab in Canva. This is an area you'll become quite familiar with if you're looking to enhance your design with various elements such as graphics, icons, or illustrations. The Elements tab is easily found on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it really opens up a world of possibilities, as it allows you to search for those specific items you want to include in your design. Now, with a focus on the search bar located at the top of the Elements section, this is where the magic happens. This search bar is your tool to input keywords to find the perfect items for your creative project. You might have entered numerous different keywords while searching for design inspiration, and now you may be wanting a fresh start by clearing that history. So what you'll want to do is simply click inside the search bar, and as you do, you'll notice that previous search queries you've entered pop up. Here's where we clean things up. You'll see a clear button while you're still in the search bar area. This option is conveniently placed, making it easy for you to manage your search space effectively. By clicking on Clear, you're essentially wiping the slate clean and removing all your past search items. While this may seem like a simple step, it's tremendously helpful if you're looking to refresh your workspace or start anew without the distraction of previous searches. You might be wondering why this matters. Beyond just tidying up, it actually enhances the speed at which Canva can fetch new suggestions relevant to your latest projects. In turn, it declutters and optimizes your design process, making for a more enjoyable and efficient creative experience. Regularly managing your search history in Canva is a small habit that can save you time and allow you to focus your efforts on crafting stunning designs without unnecessary distractions. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, these straightforward steps offer a practical way of ensuring you maintain a neat and organized digital workspace. And there you have it. In just a few steps, I've shown you how to keep your Canva search history nice and clean. This small habit can indeed make a big difference in your overall design process. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Keep designing and have fun exploring all the creative possibilities that Canva has to offer.